Hi, I'm David Smith with David Smith Radon here in Central Illinois, in Bloomington, Illinois. We own a radon distribution center. We sell anything you can imagine for a radon mitigator to perform their jobs. As you can see, there's a couple thousand fans behind me. So we're always equipped to take care of the mitigators in this part of the country, or anywhere in the country for that matter. I want to also let you know that I'm an active radon mitigation professional in Illinois. I own Illinois' second oldest license. My crews and I have done probably 10,000 homes. We do some commercial work, so we have the ability to talk to you as a mitigator. But today I'm here to talk to you about the low voltage fans. We have a Generation 2 low voltage fan here, but when the low voltage idea came out and when the technology got closer to making this happen, of course Festa, being one of the largest fan manufacturers in the world, became involved. But the thing that Festa Technologies did that other people didn't, is they created 4 versions. And that's something I'm really happy about and really excited about, because it gives the radon professional 4 choices in the building or the home they're in, and so it gives them the option to be more successful. You know, kudos to Festa. One thing about Festa, it's the only fan I carry in my distribution center, and one of the reasons is they have so much concern for the radon professional, and every move they make is to better the life of the radon professional. So when these were first created and the performance figures came back, even the German engineers at EBM Paps that created this impeller and this fan, they were shocked at the performance numbers. They expected the numbers to be better than its counterpart, but not as good as they are. So we can talk a little bit about that, but there's 4 versions. This being your standard fan, we call it a Maverick. This being a high suction fan, we call this a Prowler. This is a high flow fan that we call a Hawk, and this is a super high flow fan that we call a Legend. Now, this fan, for instance, this high suction fan, is capable of 3.8 inches of water column. That's a pretty big deal. Your super high flow fan, this Legend, is capable of 439 cubic foot per minute of airflow. I will tell you that the numbers that this fan is producing has created a change in our company policy. This fan is so productive that we've now making it our #1 choice for any commercial work that we do. So really happy about that, really excited about it. But here's the new thing. This is Generation 2, we'll call it. The new thing is there was somewhat of a noise factor because quite simply this type of motor makes a different pitch. And so Festa listened to his customers and went to the engineers and challenged them to make a quieter fan. And they worked on it diligently until they came up with some what's called military grade rubber motor mounts. These things, each one of these fans now has 4 rubber motor mounts that are outdoor approved, military grade, high-tech motor mounts that are noise and vibration absorbing. Incredible what it did. It's simply incredible. We just got the first ones in. I went out with the crews last week. We installed a Prowler and we installed a Maverick, a standard fan, a high suction fan. I was amazed at the sound quality. So here we are, Generation 2, whatever you want to refer to it as. Same fan, same performance qualities, but now quieter. So we're real excited about it. The fan is so simple to use. UL has approved this fan to be pre-wired, so when you buy this fan, this fitting is already installed. UL has also approved the transformer to be pre-wired with a pigtail. So essentially, when you install one of these fans, you are very simply installing an extension cord and walking away. So if you install one of these fans, this is a click lock outdoor approved connection. All you do is put it in and simply perform that click lock that we spoke of. Makes a little snap. Come over to your transformer and do the same procedure, and there you are. Fan is running. go home. The other thing about this is the required disconnect for an outdoor appliance is right here. This is outdoor approved. I just disconnected a fan. So you solve a lot of problems with these things. We're really excited about them. We fully believe that low voltage technology with these DC direct current motors is the wave of the future. I think that there's going to come a time when this is the only fan that's available. Once again, kudos to Festa Technologies, because they're the first major manufacturer to give you 4 choices. As I said, the performance numbers are incredible. Now the noise level's incredible. We just got some new listings on the energy consumption. We're finding 10%, 40%, 10%, 40% savings over the counterpart. So the performance is considerably better, up to 30% better than its counterpart. The energy savings are up to 40% better. So personally, we're going to offer it to consumers as a green item, or at least as a greener item. I will approach every consumer and offer them the option of buying a fan that uses less energy. So there you are, folks. You can tell why we're so excited about it. It's just the fan of the future, and as expected, Festa's ahead of the competition in creating this product. Thank you for your time. Call us with any questions.